Hey everyone, Mike here with RC4WD Drive. Now that we're all done painting and building our D90, it's time to add some hop-ups. I thought it'd be cool to start off with this bed cage with soft top from CC Hand. The cage is made from hand welded stainless steel and has a nice black powder coated finish. And the soft top is made from weatherproof fabric that's nicely stitched and has these elastic straps that hold it on the bed rails. The back flap has a really cool plexiglass window and can be rolled up and held in place with these little Velcro tabs, and has magnets to hold the flap closed. The whole package weighs about 7 ounces and is available in a black soft top or a standalone cage. The bed cage fits perfectly on the 2015 D90 pickup and only took me a couple of minutes to install with some basic hand tools. I gotta say, this bed cage looks fantastic. It really complements the build. I'm gonna load up some gear and hit the trails. Check it out at RC4WDrive.com. Have fun everyone, and drive it like you built it.